Hey, good afternoon. It's T. Evans with MarineMax. Today I'm showing you a fresh trade. It's a 2018 Harris 250 Grand Mariner with a Mercury 300 Verado on it. It's a freshwater boat, tri-tune of course. Trailer is included. This particular boat has the blackout package. It's got the dark blue accent stripe, black panels. This is a swing back model that Harris offers. 250 Grand Mariner. Absolute gorgeous boat. I would give it almost a 10 out of a 10. Walk around, show you the exterior. I'll climb aboard and show you the insides. Again, it does have a sport arch on it, foldable. It's got the Simrad in the dash. Tri-tune, I did pick this one up, so it drives phenomenal. Absolutely beautiful boat. We do still need to detail it. I'm gonna climb aboard here. Inside's, flawless. There's no rips, no tears. Fold down armrest, JL audio system. It's got a amp, a sub, in-floor storage. Right here. Nice lounge back here, and it does have the little swing back here that flips forward facing. You can ride rear facing on this particular model. Sport arch, beautiful dash, JL audio, Simrad Go 5. This is a Mercury DTS, so it is digital throttle. Again, this boat's located in Greenville, South Carolina at MarineMax. Boat does include trailer. Give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.